Hey, in this video I'll show you how to sew a waist bag.
You can wear this bag both on the waist and on the shoulder, and this bag has the main compartment and the inside pocket. To sew this bag we need the front, the back, the top, and the lining. And also we need the buckle, zippers, sliders, and webbing. If you like this video and wish to sew such bag with ease, you can buy my super detailed printable pattern or even a DIY kit, links below. And now let's get started. At first we need to sew such pocket. How to do it you can see in my another video. Okay, take the front, then take the zipper face down and cover it with lining face down too. And now we need to sew from here to here. Okay, so we have the main fabric face up, zipper face down, and the lining face down. We need to start 1 centimeter or half an inch from the corner, backstitch, and then we go. Pay attention for the all 3 layers be in the same place. And of course, pay attention to the mark at the center. At the end, backstitch. Okay, that's what we got. We started and finished a little bit further from the edges. Then we need to put the slider on the zipper like that. Okay, that's what we got, 2 zippers. Now we need to cut these edges like that. Now fold the outer fabric and the lining like that. And after that we need to sew here. Okay, we fold it and now sewing, making the back stitches. That's what we got. After that we fold it back and make the top stitching around the zipper. Okay, start, turn around on the edges and carefully go through the whole zipper. That's what we got. Okay. Now we need to mark the center of the zipper. And now we take the top detail and put its center to the center of the zipper. And now we're going to sew it. Okay, we're starting from the center and sew it to the end. After that, turn around and sew on the other side. And then we take the lining and sew it from the another side of the zipper. And that's what we got. Now let's make a little cut at the seam so it's turning around a little bit better. And now we're making the top stitch here. Cool, it's ready. Now we're going to sew the back. Okay, back stitch and carefully attach it. Pay attention to the center marks. It's very important. Back stitch at the end. And then cut the seam the same way. Okay friends, now we're going to make the straps. At first we want to make the ring. Now I'll show you how. We take a small part of the strap and sew it like that here. And after that we can cut the end near the stitch. Okay, then fold it like that and put the strap inside. Okay, we put it inside like that, and then fold it and fold it again, and after that make the stitch. So what we got? We have a ring at the end. Now we need a buckle. And we're going to put the buckle on the strap. Put the strap like that, so it's holding inside. Now do it like that and put it inside the ring, so the strap would hold inside the ring. It's very convenient. After that, take the small strap and put it inside the other side of the buckle. And now we're going to sew it to our bag like that. Pay attention to the sides of the buckle. Don't turn it around. Now we sew in these ends like that a couple times. And now we attach the lining to the outer fabric of the front detail. And now, almost the last operation, we're going to sew this seam. Okay, backstitch and do it carefully. Of course, pay attention to the center marks, it's very important. And now our bag is almost ready. Now we're going to hide our seams with the binding. Okay, I'll take the thin webbing, fold it like that, and sew it. Okay, make a couple of stitches, then fold it again, and fold it again, and sew it till the end, like I'm showing. Be careful on the rounds. It could be a little bit difficult, but on the lines it's not difficult. Okay, do it like that. So you can do it with these seams, but it's not necessary. And now we're going to turn out our bag, and it's ready. Okay, that's the beauty. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll make a lot of another videos of different bags and so on. And I'll promise I will improve my English. Okay, goodbye friends.